Hello guys, welcome. Today we are going to be analyzing Audusd, which is one of my favorite pays. So as you guys know, we start on the daily time frame so that we can determine the trend. As we can see, the market had been going up, but then we broke out of that upward trend and we started going down, which is the direction that we are at right now. The market is bearish when it comes to Audusd. Currently, we are bearish. And so obviously I start by marking my lowest current point and my highest point. And then I go on to try to figure out how the market is moving. So I'm going to have a trend line here. Let's see where this one can go. You need to be able to play with your trend lines and don't force a trend line. Just make sure it fits wherever you put it. As we can see, we have 3 touches on our bottom trend and 2 touches on our top trend line. So we go down to the 4-hour. So on the 4-hour, we can see that the market has been pushing up for a very long time, and now we are on a bearish movement. Let's have a trend line here. As you can see, the market had been pushing up. Let me show you by this trend line. The market had been going up for a very long time. And when it got to our current maximum point, which we marked on the daily, it reversed. It started going down. As you can see, the market reversed and now it is on its way down to our current lowest point. So we are in a downward moving market right now. We're in a bearish market. As you can see, the market moves in impulse and corrections. We had an impulse and then we had a correction, and market broke out of that correction. And right now we are in an impulse, right? So this is beautiful, guys, because this is clear. You know, the market doesn't get more clear than this. We are in downward movement, right? Market moves in impulses and corrections. So we had an impulse. Basically, right now we are in some sort of correction, but I don't think this correction is done forming. We still have a long way to go. You know, patience is a very big part of forex trading. You should not force trades. You should not force movements. You know, patience is a very big part. Let's go to the lower time frames. As you can see, we are in a correction movement, guys. We are in a correction movement. The market has not yet finished forming this pattern. I still expect it to sort of like push up from where it is in the lower time frames, just to continue forming this pattern. It might take some time. So the market might open tomorrow and we will see this pattern getting fully formed, so we can see whether it is a flag or it is a triangle. But at the end of the day, we are looking for sales, guys. You know, the direction is always right. You need to know whether you are selling or you are buying. But the waiting is also part of the game. So I'll be waiting to take my sales when the market does get to that top area, and I'll be looking for a minimum 1:3, but I might go for a 1:4, because in the long run, I'm expecting the market to actually go to my current lowest point that I marked in the daily. Or I might also wait for the market to break down that